Hey there, I'm John from mysolarhome.us. I've been doing solar and energy storage for about 10 years and have been in the industry for 15. This video is about if you're planning to buy solar panels, whether you're planning to go for a lease or a purchase or a finance system. This is a good video to watch. It's a short video. Well, I'll give you your options of where you could potentially go to buy and where to get the best price. In my opinion, there are three options that you have in front of you in terms of if you're planning to go solar. You can go with the national solar companies like Sunrun, Tesla, Vivint, etc. Your number two option is to go with a local solar installer. Number three option is to go to a platform which gives you quotes from a large number of solar installers like Energy Sage or Solar Reviews. And fourth option is you could come to me. mysolarhome.us, we've tied up with national installers across the states. I follow the philosophy of giving you the best value equipment at the best prices. I've only tied up with people I'm comfortable with who are giving you the equipment that I recommend on my channel. I have lots of videos on my channel on the best solar panels and the best inverters, etc. All our systems, I make sure they only come with the best of equipment and with the best prices. If you're interested in getting a quote from me, write to me at john@mysolarhome.us or fill up a form which is there on my homepage at mysolarhome.us. Okay, so what are the four options that we talked about? What are the pluses and minuses of the four options? I think I've already told you what the pluses with my option are of going through with me. I give you the best equipment at the best prices. You're guaranteed peace of mind. The first option, which is the large guys, the Sunruns and the Teslas of the world. Here you will have very good equipment. Sunrun, for example, will give you top-notch equipment, excellent customer service, no-brainer, easy way to go solar, but they are very expensive. Just part of the deal that when they're offering a service which is so high quality nationwide, they have big costs, they pass it on to you, you get a big deal, you pay money, you get peace of mind. That's number one. Number two is the local solar installer. And the local solar installer can give you very good prices and also give you very good equipment. But you have to be very careful when you're buying from a local solar installer. You have to be an informed customer. You don't know what you're planning to buy. If you don't know the nuances of going solar, there are many local solar installers which will give you substandard equipment at really good prices. You'll be happy initially, but over time you might end up with a substandard warranty or a leaky roof, things like that. But there are very many extremely ethical local solar installers. When you talk to them, you'll find out genuine people, they come across well. But even when you're talking to good local companies, make sure you know your stuff, because it's easy for a company to give you what's best in their interest, not necessarily in yours. Number three is to go to a platform like Energy Sage. Now, Energy Sage, I have a few doubts about the platform now because it's become popular and a lot of people go there. What's happened is you have a lot of solar installers competing for your business. And when you have a lot of competition, it's a race to the bottom. So you end up getting very good prices on the platform, but you end up with shoddy quality equipment at the end of it. You have very many people who will quote, say something, but who might not actually go and install that when they are doing it in your home. I have heard some stories of people mentioning that they're getting a very high quality panel A, but when the panels are actually arriving at their homes, they're not A, but they are B, bait and switch. So be careful when you go to these platforms. They might give you the best prices, but if you're not careful, you might end up in a bad place. And number four, of course, I already talked about, you could get something from my side. I'll ensure that you get the best equipment at the best prices. I hope you enjoyed this short video. I look forward to hearing from you. Best of luck with your solar install.